Hey everyone, welcome back to Lifehack HQ. Are you tired of feeling like there's not enough time or money in the day? Well, fear not, because we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 life hacks that will save you both time and money. Let's dive right in. Hack 1. Did you know that you can save money on your electric bill by unplugging appliances that you're not using? Even when appliances are turned off, they can still draw power and cost you money. So, make sure to unplug everything when you're not using it and watch your electric bill decrease. Hack 2. Next up, if you're tired of spending a fortune on cleaning supplies, try using vinegar and baking soda instead. These two household staples can clean just about anything and are a fraction of the cost of traditional cleaning products. Hack 3. For those who find themselves constantly running out of phone battery, try putting your phone on airplane mode while it's charging. This will help it charge faster and save you time and frustration. Hack 4. If you're someone who dreads laundry day, try washing all your clothes in cold water. This not only saves you money on your energy bill, but it's also better for your clothes and the environment. Hack 5. If you're looking for an easy way to make healthy meals without breaking the bank, try meal prepping. Spend one day a week prepping your meals for the week ahead and save yourself time and money on eating out. Hack 6. Speaking of food, did you know that you can freeze leftover wine in ice cube trays and use it for cooking later? No more wasting expensive wine on one recipe or throwing it away. Hack 7. For those who work in an office, try using a standing desk. Not only does this save you time and money on a gym membership, but it also has health benefits such as reducing back pain and improving posture. Hack 8. If you're someone who hates cleaning the bathroom, try using a shower squeegee to wipe down your shower after each use. This will prevent soap scum buildup and save you time and energy on deep cleaning. Hack 9. For those who love online shopping, try using a cashback website like Rakuten or Honey. These sites give you money back on your purchases and can save you a lot of money over time. Hack 10. Last but not least, if you're tired of constantly losing your keys or phone, try using a tile tracker. This nifty little gadget attaches to your keys or phone and helps you find them quickly and easily, saving you time and frustration. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 life hacks that will save you both time and money. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Lifehack HQ for more useful tips and tricks.